In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to toggle Autosuggest. Autosuggest is the feature that predicts what you're about to type and offers quick completions or corrections in real time. When it's on, you can speed through forms, messages, and searches with fewer keystrokes. When it's off, you get a cleaner, distraction-free typing experience and full control over every character you enter. Whether you're optimizing for speed or precision, changing this setting only takes a moment. Start by opening the app or workspace where you want to adjust this behavior. Look toward the bottom left corner of the screen for the settings area. It's often represented by a small gear icon or tucked inside a profile or app menu at that corner. Clicking Settings brings you to the hub where most behavior and display options live. Inside Settings, find and select Preferences. This section holds the controls that fine-tune how the app feels while you use it. Depending on the interface, it may appear as Preferences, General Preferences, or simply General. If the layout is compact, it might be a tab or a subpage just a click away from the main settings view. Once you're in Preferences, look for the control labeled Autosuggest. It may be written as Autosuggest, Autosuggest, or sometimes Suggestions or Typing Suggestions. You'll typically see a switch or toggle next to it. Flip that toggle to match how you like to work. Turning it on enables predictive text and recommended completions as you type, which can be especially helpful for repeated phrases, common queries, and quick navigation. Turning it off hides those suggestions, which can minimize visual clutter and help you stay focused on composing each word yourself. Most interfaces apply this change immediately, so you can continue working without interruption. You might notice a small visual cue on the toggle itself, such as a color change or a shifted position, confirming the new state. From now on, when you type, you should either see suggestions appear just ahead of your cursor if it's on, or no prompts at all if it's off. If the exact wording or placement looks slightly different on your screen, that's normal. Designs evolve, and labels can vary by version. The key idea stays the same. Go to the settings area in the bottom left, open Preferences, and use the Autosuggest toggle to switch the feature on or off according to your preference. That's all there is to it. With Autosuggest tuned the way you like, you can work faster when you need a boost, or keep things distraction-free when you want full manual control.